Hi friends, how are you today? So, it's Matt again, and in this occasion we're gonna cook a dish, and this dish is called chicken with vegetables. So, now we're gonna see what are the ingredients that we're gonna use in this dish. Okay, for this dish we have 3 grams of chicken, a bit of a lime, a celery, a bit of a carrot, 1 head of onion, 4 garlics, and 5 milliliters of olive oil. Now, let's see how to make it. So the first step in this dish is cork, okay, and is when we cut the chicken this way, okay, this way. So the second step is we need to dice the garlics, okay, in this way. So I need to tell you that it's my first time doing this, dicing the garlics. I'm not good doing this. So okay, we need to do this and with all the garlics. So then we will dice the carrot, okay? I'm not good doing this. I'm sorry. This is a really hard word for me. Oh my goodness. I feel scared doing this. I'm not the best in the kitchen. I'm sorry. Okay, that's enough. So next we will do almost the same with the onion. Okay. We will slice this one. Okay, it's enough too. And the celery. We will dice the celery too. Oh, something that you must know is that it's my first time doing this kind of dish. Months ago, my mom told me how to make it, and that's my first time. So the next step, we need to heat the oil. Okay, it's almost ready. And then we'll add the chicken. Oh my god. Okay, the chicken will be there for, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes. So next, we will combine the vegetables with the chicken. That will be there for 15 minutes. Then we'll be ready. Okay guys, this is the last product. So I can't believe it. I can't believe that I did it. So, and this is my first time. I'm so proud of that. So then you just serve in a dish, and it's better if it's just for you. Okay, that is my chicken with vegetables. So I hope that this information of this video has served you. You can do it in your home. And thank you, and thanks for watching. Subscribe, and I love my best friend.